राजस्थान फैशन वीक का हो गया है शुरू डे 3। अक्षय कुमार और सोनाक्षी सिन्हा भी यहाँ पहुंच गए हैं और हमारे साथ होने वाले हैं वो राउडी। सो व्हाई वेट।
हमारी जो कलेक्शन है हम खुद अपने कलेक्शन में से लेके आए हैं और आई थिंक a rowdy should wear. I'm just going to be wearing it and you're going to be watching it and you're going to be seeing it. It is something to be very, very rowdy. My whole costume and my whole thing has been designed by Shabina. She is also supposed to be the producer of this film also, along with Sanjay Leela Bansali. आज भी दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि किसी 22 साल के लौंडे से तेज दौड़ सकता हूँ।
एंड नाउ वी हैव विद अस अ वेरी नॉटी डिजाइनर। इन्होंने यहाँ पे बहुत शैतानी कर दी है। विक्रम फडनिस ने इन्होंने सोनाक्षी सिन्हा को राउडी बना दिया है। कैसे?
एब्सोल्युटली है ही वो एक स्पाइसी तीखी मिर्ची। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी आई गॉट अ चांस टू ड्रेस अप इन दिस फिल्म। बहुत ही सेक्सी लगती है वो, बहुत ही जो ब्राइट कलर्स यूज़ किए हैं हमने फिल्म।
हॉट पिंक।
हॉट पिंक आज मतलब जो उन्होंने साड़ी जो पहनी है हॉट पिंक के, आई थिंक देयर आर ब्राइट कलर्स रियली लुक ग्रेट ऑन अ स्किन टोन। आई डोंट लाइक यूजिंग डल कलर्स विद, और बहुत ही सेक्सी लगती है वो पिंक साड़ी में।
Jaipur, Jaipur and Jaipur. I love the warmth of the people because I love this city. I love the royalty. She's that royal. And then the colors of Jaipur. So that's why the collection started with the sand colors. It started with peaches. It went on to oranges. बहुत ज़्यादा pink भी था. लाल रंग का बहुत इस्तेमाल हुआ है. And पायल and संग्राम end में brightest लाल रंग पहन के चले हैं रैम पे. And मुझे होप करती हूँ मैं मैम को अच्छा लगा हो. एंड उनके लिए भी स्पेशल है कुछ इस कलेक्शन में से, विच आई थिंक कि जयपुर के लोगों को बहुत जल्दी देखने को मिलेगा जब वो पहन के आएंगी। बट कलेक्शन बहुत हद तक यंग है, वाइब्रेंट है, बिकॉज जो मैं पहनना पसंद करती हूँ वही मैं डिज़ाइन करती हूँ लोगों के लिए। सो कलेक्शन में काफ़ी स्पिरिट है, काफ़ी यंग है कलेक्शन। एंड इट इज़ द कलेक्शन इज़ कॉल्ड पटाखा प्रिंसेस, सो इट इज़ बेसिकली फॉर अ फन गर्ल ऑफ टुडे।
खुशी इस बात की हुई, नित्या ने जो उसमें कलेक्शन डाला है वो राजस्थान से बिल्कुल जुड़ा हुआ कलेक्शन है, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ इस बात से।
We are with Nitya Bajaj, beautiful looking girl and her clothes are brilliant. बहुत सारे other designers भी आपको endorse कर रहे हैं that your clothes are really nice. And of course पायल तो मेरी दोस्त है, she's always beautiful. But आपने संग्राम को इतना खूबसूरत outfit पहनाया. I'm completely in love with it. What were you thinking when you made this colorful?
He's the face of India. He's got so many accolades for the nation. He's also getting a Rajiv Gandhi Award very soon, and I'll be dressing him up for that as well. And I think somebody who's a face, like a sports face for India, needs to have, needs to represent the correct fashion sense. So that's how I thought of it, and he was coming to Jaipur and I thought of colors and I said red is it for him because I think his complexion is living up to it.
And you also gave red to Payal.
Yes, of course.
Why?
Sultry. Sultry.
Sultry without the red.
Yeah. Anyways,
I love women complimenting me. Oh God, this is my day. Pinch me.
no, but red is the color also for keeping in mind the collection and the theme of it. And also I wanted to give the most refracting tone in the end.
Basically, I wanted to highlight the power and the independence of a woman. So that's why I took the colors like that. And at the same time, I will the romantic side plus the flirty side of a woman, the innocence in a woman. So that's why I took flowers. Jessie is a big name. As my theme was, तो वैसे ही Jessie ऐसी ही है, she's powerful, she's independent, but at the same time she's very chill, she's very girly. So that was, the main aim for Jessie. So that's why I wanted Jessie only.
It was all Pakiza, inner beauty of women, because I always get inspiration from the royal culture of India.
इट फेल वेरी गुड. अच्छा लगता है जब सब आंखें आपके ही ऊपर हो, सब आपको ही देख रहे हैं. सो इट फेल ग्रेट. और अमित ने बहुत ही खूबसूरत आउटफिट बनाया हुआ है जैसे आप देख रहे हो. और वो खुद मुझे कह रहा था जब हम फिटिंग्स कर रहे थे कि ये उन्होंने जरदोजी से ये सब काम किया हुआ है एंड इट्स ऑल हैंड वर्क. सो इट टुक 25 डेज ना अमित. 25 डेज ऑफ तीन कारीगर थे और 25 डेज से देव पेन्स टेकन की स्टिच दिस बाय हैंड. सो it's a beautiful outfit.
More fun, more fashion, more stars coming up right after this break. तो क्या मेल मॉडल्स और मेंस फैशन को मिलेगा इस फैशन वीक के बाद एक नया बूस्ट? At Fashion Weeks, should men and women's fashion be showcased together? Let's ask the experts.
I think it's great because how many people actually get an opportunity to walk that ramp in a menswear outfit, and I think we always underplay the men's outfit. So that's why even in my show, I've put them in a very special. I've not just used them as props. I've given them what they deserve and what's them.
But do you think Indian men like to dress up, or are they too lazy to worry about their appearance?
I think the metrosexual man of today does like to dress up. You give if you don't give them, they will not know anything better.
Yeah, but you've done away with the metrosexual man.
Yeah, but still, today people want to experiment. People want to wear the. People started wearing the Jodhpuri pants. Earlier, only the cool guys wanted to wear it. Today, you see uncles wearing it with a dinner jacket, and I think that's where I feel we've evolved.
बहुत अच्छी बात है क्योंकि हम लोग सिर्फ समझते हैं कि ड्रेसिंग अप और लुकिंग गुड शुड इज लिमिटेड टू women, but I think it's very important in today's time for the men also to put their best foot forward. And sometimes the Indian men are not, maybe they're too busy with their lifestyle or with their jobs that they don't, वो अपना time नहीं निकालते, because Indian women, we love shopping, or any women all over the world. So I think Rajasthan Fashion Week में अगर the band galas and the different kinds of looks are being showed on men, तो I think जो भी पत्नियाँ या गर्लफ्रेंड्स अपने बॉयफ्रेंड्स या हस्बैंड्स को ड्रैग करके लाई हैं, वो they'll get inspired and उनके हस्बैंड्स को बैठे बैठे उनकी बीवियाँ की चॉइस से शॉपिंग हो जाएगी.
Well, then we have to thank Shishupal Singh for this, because he's the man who's made this possible, and I think it's a brilliant concept. I agree with you.
Same here.
Kaftans are very feminine, and you can wear kaftans during the day, in the evening. You can combine a lot. You can have it as resort wear. And what I like about kaftans is when you implement a free size element, which I'm doing in this collection that you have seen. In most of the dresses, they're free size, and that means that a woman from size UK 8 up to UK 14 can wear the dress. I really got inspired by the Asian motifs, the Asian elements, and I was thinking, how could I bring this to the West? Because in the West, people don't really have those, at that time, didn't really have all those embellishments and all this embroidery going on in their wardrobe. So I really was keen to take this fashion and somehow mix it with a Western silhouette, so even in the West, people can wear it.
was lantern, and मैंने रिच हेरिटेज ऑफ राजस्थान से मैंने बहुत इंस्पिरेशन लिया है, एंड वो लैंटन के को भी मैंने अपने गारमेंट्स में यूज़ किया, लाइक ब्राइट colors and all the cut work I have taken from lantern. I've used loads of prints and the flowy fabrics and lots of cut work.
My show theme was Khwahish, the desire. Like every girl and every man have a desire for his wedding. What he gonna wear, how he's gonna look like, some dream woman or dream man gonna come in his life. And I mix it with Sufi.
Raghav has given it a very Indo-Western look, that it's a bridal outfit, yet it is very modern.
कंफर्टेबल है, कलरफुल है, क्लासी है.
Bollywood stars like Akshay Kumar and Sonakshi Sinha and top Bollywood designers like Vikram Fadnis भी नहीं कर पाए राजस्थान फैशन वीक को रेजिस्ट. क्या आप करना चाहेंगे ऐसे इवेंट को मिस? डोंट गो एनीवेयर, हम ले रहे हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक. Vikram, tell us about your collection and what brings you to the Rajasthan Fashion Week.
The same reason why you're here. We're all here to celebrate fashion, and who knows it better than you. An opportunity came my way, didn't miss it. I'm doing the grand finale, and for me, it means a lot. This city, मैंने बहुत सारे pictures इस films इस city में shoot किए हैं, बहुत सारे गाने shoot किए इस city में, and I have never done a live show over here. So for me, it was just a great calling. I'm doing the finale, so I'm really happy.
तो कहीं पे जयपुर या राजस्थान की इंस्पिरेशन आपके कलेक्शन में आई है?
मैंने जानबूझ के कोई इंस्पिरेशन राजस्थान की डाली नहीं है, बिकॉज आई एम इन्वाइटेड बाय राजस्थान फैशन वीक. मुझे वो चीज़ें बतानी थी जो आई एम नोन फॉर, माई ग्लैमर, माई
You represent Bollywood.
And I'm very proud of the fact that I represent Bollywood. Bollywood is what cinema is, the Indian cinema is what our country is all about.
Can you pick one favorite outfit from your?
This particular outfit is this print that I've used it in dupattas and saris and cholis. और ये श्लोक print है, ये दुपट्टा है. It's just a contrast to the entire digital print. इसकी reason ही यही थी कि we didn't want to do something that was matching and complementing. We wanted to clash it, and that's come out beautiful. The best part about this outfit is that it's got 3 different structures to it. The dupatta can be teamed up with any plain black kalidar kurta, and it looks stunning. It can be with a black sherwani and angarkha. The kurta can be worn with jeans and just a pair of Kolhapuri chappals, which I show on.
I would wear just the kurta.
Yeah, just the kurta. Lovely. That's Simi Chandok. I mean, lovely. I think it looked very sexy as just a kurta. And the skirt is flamboyant enough. It's a net skirt. I think for somebody's Sangeet, it would be absolutely stunning.
I think it's beautiful. आपके दूसरे बच्चे को देखें?
ये मेरी शो स्टॉपर गारमेंट है, जो बहुत ही सिंपल है. इसमें कोई ब्लिंग सिर्फ दुपट्टे पे है. It's very light and it's got its own charm because of the color combination. It's very, very earthy tones. It's jewel tones, and that's why it is my favorite outfit. And Raima Sen, I think, looks stunning in these bejeweled tones because I didn't want to do something that was bright and in your face with her.
You've done absolute justice to her, and thank you so much for talking to Zoom.
It's always a pleasure to do your show.
ये हम लोगों का एक छोटा सा पहला प्रयास है हमारी पिंक सिटी जयपुर और हमारे राजस्थान की आन बान शान के लिए. राजस्थान फैशन वीक की पूरी टीम से हम आपको दिल से सलाम करते हैं कि आपने जो एनकरेजमेंट दिया है हमें, जो सपोर्ट दिया है दिल से हमें, वो हमारे दिल के अंदर बहुत गहराई से उतरा है. और अगेन मैं अपनी बात यहीं ख़त्म करूंगा लास्ट में कि जो दिल से आपने सपोर्ट किया है, आपके सपोर्ट को ये हमारे लिए इंस्पिरेशन है। और नेक्स्ट सेशन जो आएगा वो बहुत ही शानदार होगा। मैं ये आपको कमिट करता हूँ फिर अपनी टीम की ओर से।
This is it from Jaipur. Rajasthan Fashion Week के चेयरमैन शिशुपाल सिंह ने दिया हमें एक star-studded और buzzing fashion week. But who says the glam ride has to come to an end? All you need to do is keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.